storm, and it might yet, where these clouds are. We need to pull over and let a bumper car by, a bumper truck, unless he'll come on around. He looks like he may be getting positioned. Yeah, here he comes. We're going to slow down and pull over and let him come on by. And that's the way people need to do it instead of coming up and riding on your bumper. Stay off my bumper, I'll pull over, let you by, or get off or something. But you get up on my bumper, I don't know these roads, I don't know where I can pull over, and I don't want to slam on the brakes when I see a spot. So you get up on my bumper, you're going to have to enjoy the ride. Or come around, one or the other. Best I can to accommodate people, not hold them up. I know most people want to drive faster than I do. Get a 7 or 8 minute segment, then we'll get a silent segment. This will be a nice silent 15-minute drive. Nothing but the road sounds. What do we got now? We're at about 5, 4. start another one, but we're not even going to introduce it or anything. It's just going to be a silent video, except for the natural noise of the road.